Okay.
All set?
Yeah.
Hi, everybody. This is Dr. Gary Kaihara.
And I'm Dr. Ben Watkins.
And I'm Dr. Dan Pinto.
We just wanted to reach out to you and just let you know all the things that we've been doing while we've been in the shutdown mode. We hope that you have been staying safe in this unprecedented time. Our community has been through a lot during the last few weeks, and we are all looking forward to getting back to our normal routines and return to our normal work schedules. While many things have changed, one of the things that hasn't changed is our commitment to your safety.
It brings up a great point because infection control has always been one of our top priorities at Smiles International. And you may have even noticed this at your visits to our office. There's also some other extra precautions that we're taking to ensure a safe reopening to be able to protect you and our team members along the way.
Some of these things include screening all patients over the phone for any symptoms of COVID-19, as well as questions about travel or contact with other people outside. Then patients will be screened again when they come into the office, as well as have contactless temperatures taken. And we'll be limiting the number of patients we see to facilitate and respect the 6-foot rule of social distancing.
We already take hand washing very seriously, and we'll take this to a different level. We want to ask all patients to wash their hands before entering the treatment rooms, and that you can also use the hand sanitizers, which we will have stationed throughout the office to use as needed. We will also use frequent disinfection of all commonly touched areas, such as doorknobs and countertops. And we will also ask patients to use or wear their face masks to the office and to keep the face mask on until they reach the treatment rooms and are seated there.
These are a lot of precautions here, but they're there for you. And so they're on top of all of our universal healthcare precautions that we've always taken. But we're going to be doing our best to be able to do more than that. And so it's important to be able to stay healthy in this current environment.
Well, we definitely want to minimize the number of times you visit the office. It is important to catch and treat problems early so they don't turn into bigger problems, which require more numerous visits to address. If you are immunocompromised or feel apprehensive about coming in, that's totally fine, and we understand. But we'll be here when you're ready to come back in to see us.
So we hope you're doing well during these trying times, and we want to be here to help keep you healthy. And we also want to thank you very much for being part of the Smiles International family. So you guys take care, and we'll see you when you get to the office again in the future. Thank you.
See you when you're in.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
All right.